Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Earn With Me. So today I am back with a new video guys. So firstly, before getting on to the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon guys. So today video is about NFTs guys, okay? So without investment, how can we earn NFTs? So firstly, before getting into it, I would be showing you the first NFT which I have minted without zero fee. Okay, so I would be showing you which is that NFT and what are those. Okay, this is IC Punks in NFT guys. So as you can see, this is followed by IC Tuts, IC Puppies and four others, so these are the followers of Internet Computer Protocol. Okay, so the NFTs are based upon Internet Computer, so ICP. So what is the NFT? The next NFT we are gonna talk about. So let's see the basic price of this IC Punks. Okay, so this is the marketplace guys. So if you go and see the price of the IC Punks or any NFTs which is in this market, it would be 10 ICP. So the floor price is 10 ICP, 10.5, 10.5, 10.9, 11. So as you can see, how to identify an rarity index. So as you can see, 5266 and NRI equal to 52%. So I'm giving complete information guys. If you want to skip, you can skip still, because you would be knowing each and every word is important. This is the rarity index. So naturally rarity index is 52. Okay, it is 10.5 ICP. Okay, let's see IC Punks guys. It was 10,000 uh, IC Punks. So the basic price is 8.19, 8.19, 8.30, 8.69. So let us see what would be the price. Okay, so 8.7, let us think. Okay, so it is around 52 per ICP. So 1 ICP equal to 52, so it is around $452. So if it is converted into Indian rupees, it is 33,900 guys. So it is so huge. Okay, so but this needs an investment guys. So I would be showing you what is the investment and what you need to do. Okay, so I am going to talk about IC Punks. We have already completed it. So I would be showing you three NFT projects in which two are absolutely free. You just need $2 to $5 for the fee. Okay, so coming to the first airdrop, it is Free Mint Solar Knots. Okay, this is an NFT charitable trust. Okay, it is based upon charity. So whatever the fees and whatever the amount you donate to it, it would be donated to the charity. Okay, so firstly, we believe that the Solana community is fundamentally special and time again. So we have stayed together and overcome any challenge that comes its way. So these guys are trying to mint the launch in a week. Okay, so they have posted on October 1st guys. So today it is October 5th. In 2 days they are trying to mint. So I would be giving Discord links, everything in my Telegram channel. If you haven't joined my Telegram channel, please join guys. Okay, so this is a free mint guys, but you need some soul fee, that's it. So as you can see, the website is also so clear guys. I have already checked it, but the main reason behind NFTs is the huge pump in the NFTs guys. Okay, so do not miss any free NFT guys, because if we are gonna lose, we would be losing $2 to $5 guys. But I don't think so, because these NFTs are so crazy guys. So I have forgot to post some NFT project yesterday because I was busy a little. Okay, so it gave us huge profit, so I was also not there, so I could not use it. It gave profit around 75,000 to 2 lakhs guys. Okay, so do not miss any NFT project. So coming to the second NFT project, it is the cult of meerkats. Okay, so what is this NFT? This is also a charity donations via secondary fees. So whatever the uh, NFT transaction would be having, it would be high. Okay, so the fees which have been collected, it would be directly donated into charity. Okay, the launch is on October 10th guys. Okay, October 10th. So do not miss this NFT also. Whenever it is free, just make sure you join it. Okay, this also will have around $2 to $5 guys. So coming to the most important internet protocol NFT guys, so this is an 100% legit guys. So how I am saying it, entry pot, this is a marketplace guys. Okay, this is a marketplace, so in which I have showed you IC punks and IC glitters and everything. So this is an platform where all the internet computer NFTs are sold. So as you can see, IC tuts, IC puppies, IC punks, infinity frogs, everybody are following because the marketplace is entry pot. So they have officially retweeted everything. Okay, so this is very important guys. So but this is not free guys, so let me show what is the price and everything. So directly jumping into the Discord server guys. Okay, so let us jump into the Discord server of IC Tuts. So let us go to announcements. Okay, so firstly, adding roles has closed. Okay, so this is the main thing guys. So huge congratulations to all royal pharaohs. All royal seats have been officially reserved in 2 hours. So in 2 hours all the royal pharaohs has been allotted. Okay, firstly, 500 whitelisted members would be given a chance at zero point 0.5 ICP. So it means around 25 to $27. Okay, so they can mint before public minting. Okay, so you can mint it before the public mints. Okay, so in the second batch, 1000 whitelisted early pharaohs can mint it 0.75 ICP a few hours before the launch. I would be showing you what will be the profit, everything guys. So third, 1500 whitelisted members, almost early pharaohs, at 1 ICP. So 1 ICP costs $50 guys. Okay, so here 25, it would be nearly around 35, I think so, 0.75 ICP, 35, and 1 ICP equal to just 50. So after this you can see third ICP, and fourth ICP is of 1.25 ICP. Okay, so coming to 1.25 ICP, I will be directly showing you 1.25 into 50. Okay, so it is around 62. Okay, so public mint is 1.5 ICP. Okay, 1.5 into 50, so it is around $75. So in between, what is the mint time? Okay, October 15th. So as you can see, mint date is October 15th, 20 UTC. So I would be updating everything guys, but you just need to remember, without investment you can't mint this NFT. So you can buy ICP from Binance. So the wallets are plug guys. It is an extension in Chrome, and internet protocol. So you have two wallets guys, internet protocol and plug. You can transfer from Binance to internet protocol. It is very easy guys, but you need some investment. So if the base price of this NFT would be 7, let's think 7 guys, because we can't expect everything to be high. So it is 350. If it is around 12 to 15 guys. Okay, so if we would be taking 750. So if it is 7 into 50, so it is 350. 350 into 75, the profit is around 26,002. So 15, if we think $750 into 75, so it is very huge guys. 30 to 60,000 we can earn from one NFT, because no NFT in this internet computer protocol has been less than 7 ICP. Okay, so the minting price could be, if you have a rare piece, it can be up to 97 ICP guys. So if you don't believe me, I would be showing you if you could mint rare piece. Okay, so just a second guys, it's not more lengthy or something. So you can see this clown just sold for 98 ICP, 4.2k dollars. Okay, $4,200 into 75, 3,15,000 guys. So if you want to miss this chance, you can miss this guys. If you even have a common NFT, the base price is 7 guys, 7. So you would be getting 30,000 profit guys. You are investing $50. From 350 you would be taking out $50, $75. You would be getting $250 profit for damn sure. So if you want to miss, you can miss. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel this video is really good, please give a like guys. Thank you so much.